Hello everyone. In this video we will learn how to generate rank in MS Excel. So as you can see that we have some set of data, name and percentage, and we have to calculate the rank of the given data. So it's quite simple. To generate rank in MS Excel, we use rank function. So I'll just write here rank in the column and then we'll go to the first cell where we want to generate the rank. And here we'll begin it with equal to symbol and then we will write rank. There are two arguments in this function. The first argument is the cell address, which is to whose rank is to be found out, and the second one is the range of cell from where the rank has to be calculated. Okay, so the range of cell is selected here, and since we have to make it absolute, so I will just press here F4. So just by pressing F4 it becomes absolute, and we'll close the function and then we will press enter key and we'll see the rank of this particular data. Okay, now what we need to do is we have to just drag it by the corner from the corner, and it goes till the last, and what we find, the rank is generated for the given data.